Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware risk in the future trading, and all our videos for educational purposes only. For the non-members, you're very welcome to follow us and follow the signal as long as you do it on the sim. We're not responsible for your live trade, and you should be only taking sim trade with us if you don't have the system. Anyway, today, I don't know, I have changed the monitor resolution here. So it is, I think it's a much clearer way to see the charts. And then we will be covering some of the auto trade, automated trade, signal automated to trade, and we will be uh, trying to find. Uh, okay. Uh, uh, Try to analyze this market today and on the way, and then we will follow new signals when it comes in. So, for the ones are new here, we have at the moment we have not released the latest version yet. Next 2 days we'll be releasing it. We added one more ATM strategy on that one. So now we have three different automated trade based on the signals. And you get the signal here on the left upper corner, here on the first column, entry price, entry type, sell or buy. And then, uh, okay, thank you. And then you have the entry price and the target. The market analyzer here is based on 1 minute and one lot. And then gives you the PNL and the takes and the trend stops based on fibs. And then we can use a fully automated trade, or we can use an ATM strategy. The same story goes on the stocks and forex. You will get the new signal here on the forex, and gives you the entry price as an example here, the euro dollar. A sell at 49.7, a target 11.39, and we are it gives you in the pips 6 pip, and then gives you the trailing stop and the trailing stop too. So this is the whole thing here is a very straightforward. Then we will be covering some of the automated trade on a swing trading and a scalping. And as an example, this is the swing trading automated trade. All of them started at 9:15, and this is also swing trading. Now they are in the trade, and then we will be. And this one here is a scalping. You're very welcome to also follow the trade from the scalping. If you want to scalp the market, you're very welcome. As an example, right now here on the scalping, we have two in ES taken along on the scalping, and we will. When you hear that sound, that means there is a new signal, and you're very welcome to follow those signals, as long as at your own risk, and try to follow us on a sim. Please, we're not allowed to call live trade for you. So let's examine what's going on in the market. To our traders, then to our members, once we settle down, I made something very nice for you guys, which you can use it immediately. Uh, has nothing to do with the update we are releasing in next couple days. But what I have done, it is a really unique template where it is. You're gonna love this one here. As an example, uh, I made the direction sell, the entry price on the 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. As we see here on that one here, that without any doubt, this is a short direction on the ES, and you can see the numbers 2784, it is a short trade, 2785 is a short trade, 2827 is a short trade. And we can see this the ES on those three time frame, it is to the short position. That's mean you should never take a long at the moment, and we will analyze like what we do every day, and then we will uh, explain to you, or we will call the trade for you when we see one. For a few traders we have, they now understand how to synchronize the market and understand how we can combine the ES with the 30-year Treasury bond. As we see the 30-year Treasury bond go in the opposite direction of the ES all the time, and when there is a 30-year Treasury bond going in the same direction as the ES, that means there is a foul play in here. So, uh, uh, so as you see, the 30-year Treasury bond on the 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes, it is to the long side, and the ES, it is to the short side. So that is cleaning a lot of um, uh, the play in the market, and it keeps you into the right direction. And once we are done with the YouTube webinar, not right now, you are very welcome to get a copy of this template. I didn't want to call the ES for you, or I didn't want to call the Nasdaq right now for you, but I will be calling the YM for you. And if you are not in a trade right now as we speak, because the sell entry, excuse me, because of the sell entry is 51.21, sitting right into the support line here. So I strongly recommend to take a short trade, limited order at 51.15, limited order, sell, limited order at 51.15 on the YM. Maybe it's too late for you to take the ES and the Nasdaq, and but this is the YM. It has to be below that line, so it has to be, and it will be nicer also if you drop it one tick and take it at 25.114. 25.114 sell order is right there. It will be very nice where we have put that signal here for you. This is very good. And if you want to follow us with it on a sim, you're very welcome. To our members, please, I'd like to know if um, the monitor today is clean enough or clear enough, if it's blurry or not, because yesterday we made it a little bit bigger monitor, and I saw it was a bit blurry. So I like to have a feedback if this monitor it is a blurry or it is a clean. So I'm waiting on my traders to give me a feedback on that one here. So for the CL trader, I will get to you in a second with the CL. Right now, we do not have any trade. The market got a bit choppy right now, so you just be patient till we get the direction, and then we will nail those trades for you. Let's see what will happen. Really, I don't know. Let me, Mr. Kobe, it is Is it cleaner? Because some of them have a problem yesterday, Gary. So we'll see if today the chart is cleaner to see it. I don't know. I can see it's much clearer. I don't know. We'll see what the others have uh, see. So be careful, guys. We are waiting. If you are thinking to take a short on an ES, don't even think about it. Taking a short at the moment. We have a projection at 27.8075, and it is having a problem with that. So I don't like to take a trade middle of the trend. This is a no for me. But if you are insistent on taking a new short, then it has to be below the 80.76. There is a new signal here on the Forex, a sell order on the Euro Japanese, uh, Euro, British pound, and it is a sell order at 88.046, target 796.2. So on the Forex, for me, guys, I only like euro dollar. I have no integration with the others, but when we see signal on the Forex, we will tell you there is a new signal on the Forex. It's up to you what you want to do with it. But also the Forex is based on 1 minute, and the future is based on a 1 minute. The market has not picked up a trend yet, guys. Just be careful. We're about to have a new signals. So once we get the new signal, we will let you know. Okay, there is a new signal on the Russell buy at 49 490.7. Russell, a new signal. If you are on that trade, it's fine. If you are not, I prefer you to put it one little bit above that limited order 91.1, actually, because we have a problem with the ES at the moment. Let's see what the ES is going to do. The whole market changing direction. Be careful with it. If the market going against you, close it and then put a limited order on the Russell at 91.5, 491.5. Do not carry and lose and trade. Close it immediately, and then put the limited order at. Okay, we have called for you a trade on the YM at 50, 25, 114. So this is a good trade. For the ES, if we are crossing this projection, it is a good trade. Crossing the projection, if you want to take a sell order, you can put a sell order at 80.50. Actually, it is a good one. And anything above the 51.14 on the YM, you should not be taking it. Anything above the 27.80 on the ES, you should not take that trade. It's short. It's only short. There is no long direction at the moment. And we will keep our eye on the. This is a very good one, guys. I will send you the template. It just say template on the Skype. I will give you the template after the YouTube. As we see here, the sell on the 1 minute, sell on the 3 minutes, sell on the 5 minutes. And we have a buy on the 30-year treasury bond, buy on the treasury bond. And so the direction is down. There is nothing long. And this is really cute one. Very nice market analyzer. Keep you on the same direction and the right direction. Yes, sir. You're welcome, sir. So just guys, remind me after YouTube, because now there is going to be tons of people chat, and then I don't know which one is one of the template. As you see right now, there is a little chop in the market. Let's stay on the side for a while and trying to get direction. For the other guys, please, I like to get your feedback. If it was yesterday clear, or this one here today, it is more, you can read there is a new signal somewhere on the. Okay, I don't know where it is. We'll find out. A bit choppy today, guys. Just be careful. Wait a little bit. We are going through a lot of chops. It's better. Thank you, Hayden. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Garrett. Thank you, sir. The market is a bit chopped today. Please be careful approaching this market. Wait till we find a direction. A new signal on the 30-year Treasury bond, sell. Sell on the 30-year Treasury bond. That is going to conflict your ES. So be careful. You know, guys, when there is a play in the market, it's not your game. Keep your hands off any trade right now. Please wait. We have made tons of money this last week and this week, but today it is a little bit nasty. Take your hands off any trade at the moment. Let's find a direction, please. Let's get the new signal and take the trade on the new signal. We had some guys yesterday made over $5,000. We have one guy made 12,000 yesterday. So don't give it all up today. So just wait. For the ones that need to see the news, we have the news here. There is nothing today, really. Nothing is gonna have an impact on this market. So let's wait. Oh wow! New signal on the euro dollar, British pound, and so it's right in front of you. The new signals on the forex. I don't know how many of you follow the forex, but I'm covering only the future. But your new signal on the 6E, of course, the euro dollar future, buy the euro dollar buy. So it is fine. On the YM, we still on the limited order short at 51.14. Short at 51.14, and you should not take any trade on the Nasdaq, neither ES. Stay away from the trouble, guys. Stay away from those trouble. Okay, we started today at 9 o'clock with the auto trade, and look, was nasty start, and then around 9, yeah, when the market is open, and then we hit it and done with the ES on the automated trade. It looked like there is a lot of a change in the signal. Get ready, please. We're about to have a new signal. Get ready. We're about to have Nasdaq. Any second, we will have the Nasdaq to the long, and we'll give you the numbers on the Nasdaq. Okay, guys, we have a Nasdaq entry at 44.25. We're about to have a new signal on the YM, and we need to see this ES getting a new signal. Nasdaq, we already called that. We need this ES to break that area here, the projection. Otherwise, we're going to have a problem with the Nasdaq. Just bear with me. Let's see if we can get this little push. It is very important for that ES to break the 2787. Otherwise, we're going to have a problem with that Nasdaq trade. So keep your eye on the ES. Even if you are trading the Nasdaq, we need to break that 8725 on the ES. We need to see where. Okay. All right. If this ES not able to break the 8750, does mean we are going to have a problem on the Nasdaq. Be careful, guys. Now, today, the key, like what happened yesterday, the key is the eye on the ES. The ES, we need to see that bar close above the 8750. Once we close above 8750, that Nasdaq trade is going to fly all the way to the 72 level. So keep your eye on the ES. We need to see that bar closing above the 8750. And we're about to break it, guys. So if you want to put an order on the ES, it has to be anything above 89.25. Anything above, no, wait a minute. 2790 limited buy. 2790 limited buy order. Okay, whoever is on that trade with the Nasdaq, you got around a couple hundred. You either exit out of it or keep your eye on the ES till we see. And we're about to break the ES. Anything above the 2790.25 should be good. Follow us on a sim. We're not allowed to call live trades for you. So get ready on the ES. Again, fast your seatbelt. There we go. But don't take that trade on that. Take it. Don't follow that signal 88.25. Try to take it at least 89.25 or put a limited order at 90.25. Why? We have the signal, but we have a major resistance. So maybe with your luck, the ES is gonna. Okay, so now we are $400 on that trade, and get ready also for a new signal on the YM. We need to break the 5190. You are on a 400 to there we go. We are going on YM. Get ready. We are gonna give you the signal on the YM. Okay, we have a new signal on the YM. I tried to put it at 5201, a new signal. Now my internet is dying on me. I apologize for the delay. The reason this pullback because of this projection at 56 level, and I mean, you got $400 on the Nasdaq, take it or leave it. You know, I tell you, the entry, the exit is for you to manage. I don't. Okay, and I apologize. I really didn't pay attention to the CL. I don't know. I hope somebody follow the CL. I don't know. Guys, did you see any DAX, a new signal by 855? Did any of you, because I don't want to mislead here, We are 100% transparent. I don't want some competitor come in here and hang it on my neck. Did anyone see CL new signal? I need confirmation by somebody, some of our traders. Okay, as you see here, guys, we have a reversal on the Nasdaq, and we are pulling back. This is a pullback. It's not a crisis. Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you, sir. I just need confirmation. We had the new signal on the CL, but I was I mean, I was busy with something else. I don't want it to. So the CL entry, folks, 57.92, target 58.32. This is a pullback. Don't let it scare you. But if you are on that YM trade, close it and go back and put it to limited order at 52.01. If you, thank you, sir. Thank you for the confirmation, because we have a lot of competitors have subscribed to our channel. Freaked me out. I mean, why? Yeah, I don't know. But could be he have it one monitor copying our trades. I don't know. I give up. But let's stay here with the trades. Now, where is that signal coming from? I'm not in touch with the Forex guys, so you can get in touch with the Forex. I don't know. I have my hands full here. On the Russell, we are, yesterday was nicer because I can put all the 5 charts. Now, today, I only can put 3 charts. So I don't know. I'm between those two. We have some traders saying this one here is cleaner, and some trader they say is the same. So I don't know. Depends on your internet connection. But it was easier for me yesterday when I can put all the charts in front of me. So little pullback, guys. Don't let it scare you. Did any of our members took the Nasdaq? Thank you, Virgilio. Is it Virgilio? Is it today cleaner for you? Because yesterday you're saying it was a blurry. I don't know if you had too much wine yesterday, or or you still on the okay. My friend, most of the traders are on the. You see this 49.25. If you are on that trade, keep your eye on that line here. Okay. The next step on the pullback is going to be here, 41 level. So it's up to you how you want to manage the trade. I'll just tell you when to enter the market. There is extreme chop today, so whatever you can get out of it, JC, you get out of it. It's fine, If you are on the YM trade, close it and go back and put it at the same number where we enter. Do not carry the trade 20 and 30 ticks and losses, because there is a chop today. If you were forced to close any of those trades, go back, read the market analyzer, where is your entry point, and put your entry point again, limited order. As an example, if you are on the YM, you think it's too much for you, close it and go back and put a limited order buy at 25.201 limited order. So this way, it is okay. It's about the same. Okay, so I mean, we should not suffer, because yesterday I could have put the 5 charts in here, but I will see the recording today, and then decides which direction we will go with it. Let me see. The market is extremely chop, and if you are out of that trade with the YM, go back and put an entry at 52.01. With the ES, we have a lift off. I mean, it's not looking back on the ES. It's done. We crossed the critical area, so there is one direction up and up only. For the CL traders, we recall it for you, and it was on the always follow the first column here on the CL. If you are on that trade with the CL, look for 58.23. If you are on two contract, take one out and leave one as a runner, because this CL is about to break out very soon. So we are on taking off mood, and we will be climbing to 279 or 6 here. Okay, so I think we are okay. And now we are start going in the proper direction, guys, and the market start pushing a bit. Still, it's a chop day today, but we managed to. Now what? Okay, there is a new signal on the euro dollar, the euro Japanese. 109.39.6, target 109.48.8. I don't know what to do with it, but I have no integration with the Japanese. Okay, guys, we're lifting. We're taking off with that. And yeah, today, guys, it's like you're going to the dentist, you know. One step forward, two step backward. So, you know, you got to be patient today. One of those days, it is a bit chop, you know. So be patient, guys. Patient, it is number one for this business. For the CL trade, we are going on the same direction. There is nothing. And the market is going to sneak right under your nose, guys. Be careful. You know, it's going to come and fly right under your nose. Be careful. Come on, baby. All right. Here, there we go. We have a buyer. When you see it's a blanket, that means there is buyers coming in. So there we go. Come to daddy. Yes. You see when it's blinking, I'm going to make a new chart. We are waiting on the programmer to give me the latest release. And then there we go. We are hitting the high. Come on. There we go. Lift off. Okay. We need Vito, the Italian guy, to blow on this one here. There we go. Where? It looked like there is a lot of action today on the Forex. And our scalper is in very nice red. Welcome to trading. If you're scalping today, you're running out of luck. Guys, we have to show you the good and the bad. You know, you cannot just see only green. So today, our scalpers, they are eating big banana. And welcome to trading. Nothing we can do. Okay. We are reached the high on the NASDAQ. So let's see, taking off. Come on. On the CL trade, you are going straight. There we go. You are going straight to the 58.24. Take the first trade out and leave the second one as a runner. And there we go. Look at this one, guys. Look. You see? Now is a pullback. Welcome to trading. There's a pullback, like what we have told you. Look. And now it's coming back, the pullback to the 57.97, and then it's going to go back banging on the 58.25. Trying his luck with that. All right, let's see where we are on the ES. Have you noticed, guys, we always get the $1,000 no matter what between 10 and 11:30, an hour and a half every day, and we nailed this $1,000. I mean, we have some aggressive people on a 5 and 6,000, but we always get almost the same numbers, even on a choppy day. Okay, guys, let's see the YM fixing to fly, and if you want to take, if you are on two trades on the YM, you take the first one at 225, sell order at 2251, and leave one as a runner if you want to do that. If you're happy for what you get, go ahead and flatten out everything, close your computer, and run as fast as you can. Call it off for today. Okay, for the Nasdaq ES, you are above $500 despite what, guys. I need some numbers. Members, anyone jumping? Anyone stayed? Would you please give me your situation here? The gangsters, the good people. Um, can you give me some numbers? Who's jumped and who's out? Who? Okay. All right. Okay, for the YM, you take the first trade at 224 on the first trade, and then there is a good potential for 6-7. Jeff, what do you mean you're up? Be specific, sir. Just on the Nasdaq? Okay, where? Okay, the British euro, British dollar, sell 126,543, target 1157.1. I'm so glad I don't trade Forex. Okay, guys, there is a pullback. Expect pullback. The first pullback is 49 level, and then if you want to re-enter the Nasdaq, you can re-enter at 4250. The Mr. ES here, the pullback is coming to the 27.89.25. There is a pullback. There is no short trade, so be careful with that. And for our traders, or our guests, we like to announce that our scalpers are eating banana today. Where? A new signal, Euro British Pound, buy 88.103, target 81.819.9. I don't trade that, so I don't know how you want to do with it. But here's your numbers with this one. I only trade the euro dollar. The rest, I have no integration whatsoever. Okay. So we're still on the YM, exit at 23 level. Jose, Nasdaq ES, one or two contract each. Where those gangsters, the mafia, and where are they? Those today? Are you on one or two contracts, sir? Two. Okay. So now we have Mr. Jose here, and Jesse, where we are. Mr. Grid, Sariam, Zhigorov, Hayden, Kobe, Fernando. All right. So this is the situation right now. Um, um, if you, what time is it? It's 10:35. Okay. All right. All right, my friend. A lot of traders they are on the Nasdaq. Let me tell you the story on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is coming back to the 4450. So and it is actually a re-entry at 44 level. You know, followed by a support line at 42. So there is no short trade here. There is no short trade. It's just a pullback. This is a lot of confusion that traders do when they are using those black box indicators. Now their ATR momentums, everything turning red. And this is not a short here, guys. This is a pullback. Pullback. There is no short. Once we get the short, we will let you know there is a short trade. So there is only pullback, and you gotta be patient. It's like you're nailing a fish out of the water. You cannot jam it right away. So, guys, look at this. This is I will send it, and you request it after the. I made you guys just a test for today. A template where I put 1 minute entry price, 3 minute entry price, and the 5 minutes. If you notice here, Ben, the 5 minutes is refusing to die from the sell position to the buy position. But the Nasdaq did, and the YM did not. Actually, on the 3 minutes, still in red, and the 5 minutes still in red. The 30-year Treasury bond is still. It is. You can see it is a really mixed market today. It is a really, really a lot of problems with a lot of pullback and re-entry, pullback, re-entry. So um, let's see what will happen. Okay, guys, time for a fresh coffee. I'll be right back. Thank you. Guys, this is what I've been screaming from Thursday, Friday until today. I've been screaming my head off here in the public to try to educate those guys. They see commercial that they become a millionaire overnight, or when they see pre-made recorded video after the fact, and they don't see in between behind the scene. And that's what we are screaming our head off, because on a day like this, of course, you will have problem with any kind of automated trade. And I make fun of my scalper today. They were eating banana half an hour ago, and now they're recovered because our scalpers, they recover on the same day. It's zero point 0.5, not 32 days. But here's the things with the pre-made videos that could be out of 100 chart, there is 10 charts will make it by the end of the day, but it will not be the same time frame tomorrow or yesterday. What we are trying to show you here is how, when we see problem in the market and you know how to trade in conjunction with the automated trade, you still can make money. Like half an hour, 10 minutes ago, we were over $1,000 in the trade on the ES and NASDAQ NYM, and now the market pulled back on us. So what I'm saying is, now if you want to take the ES back to the entry, re-enter the market, you can at 89.25, because this is a pullback, it's not short. If you want to take the YM again, you can take the YM again at 52.03. I will mark him for you if you want me to. So what I'm saying is, and now we are coming to the summer, and right after the summer, by the time you get busy with if you have a children, schools, whatever, cars, whatever, and then you're going to be hitting with the Christmas. So what I'm saying is, if you just take your time, I don't know how long I can be on a YouTube every single day, because we have traders are screaming to go back to private and lock the room. So what we are trying to do here, trying to educate people, don't just follow trade. And I don't want you to follow trade. I want you to learn how to trade, so you don't have to be committed to me or to any other room, and try to develop your own trading system. And we are trying to open your eyes to different type of a trading. And if you don't do that, you have to do that next year. If you don't do that next year, you have to do it the year after. Once you start trading and you get the enjoyment out of a trade, you will always, even if you blew up your account, you shut down your Ninja Trader, but it stays in your back of your head, and you're gonna go back to it. Once you start trading, you will always be trading. So it will never say, trader, I'm gonna take my hat off and I will never trade anymore. You're gonna go back to it a year after, 2 years after. You're gonna go back to it, because you have seen the potential. If you do your homework, that things, we have some guys yesterday in front of you made over 12,000. We have guys made over 5,000. We have guys made over 4 just yesterday. If you go back on those videos from last week until today, you would have seen how much we made money. And today it is really, now we are coming to new signals. And you can see today how volatility there is. And here is a cute guy come at the end of the day after the fact, flashing a couple of chart telling you, look how well the auto trade did well. And he's going to forget to show you. Okay, we have a sell trade YM 51.40, target 50.75. It's up to you what you want to do with it. And we're about to have a short trade on the YM 30-year treasury bond. New signal, buy 152.29, 153. Folks, our whole main purpose, uh, you can brush me off whatever you want, but after 28 years, uh, I learned to take it easy with this business here. And there is only one direction: learn the movement in the market for whatever system. It makes you happy, whatever system you find there out there, but you cannot ignore market movement. And if you ignore market movement, you will never make it in this business. You're gonna be pissed the rest of your life. And here is a gentleman hit the target on a very modest 362 target hit. Thank you very much. ES 150 ticks. He made it. Good. You know, $200 a day. This is $50,000 a year. You know, but there is nothing comes easy. So again, guys, this is I strongly advise you to not to just follow signal, try to learn. And we are extremely busy. I don't know how long we can do that. Really, come in here and educate people. But try to learn to protect your own money and don't think somebody else give him your money. Exactly, Sariam. Exactly, sir. So nobody is gonna scratch your back except your own nails. So don't give your money away for somebody else to invest for you, and try to learn a little bit. Believe me or not, once you get to the rhythm, it's not as hard. Actually, it's fun when you start building your confidence. And we have a lot of traders. They say they got their confidence back in the trading. So of course you will have a bad days, but your bad days are very rare, and we all get bad days, but the reality, what you're looking at right now, so we made money on the way up, and then the market dropped. So now we are waiting on a new signal, and we are dismissing all this volatility in the market, and we're not trying to chase every single movement. And so, guys, it is your money we're talking about. It is serious. When we're talking about money, it is serious. You know, sometimes people don't want to talk to you if you don't have money. So uh, uh, the way to be success in the trading, uh, uh, you cannot bull. I mean, bull your way around it. To put it politely, you have to understand market movement. If you don't understand market movement, you will never make it here. You keep buying auto trades, you can buy systems, and it's up to you what you want to do. It's your money. Before anyone, I'm keeping my eye on this new market analyzer. As you see, we have a very strong Nasdaq. The YM lost the momentum, and let's see what will happen. So the zone, the one for our members, we told you about the ATM strategy we're gonna add on it. It should be ready within next 2 days. So we will be showing it here to the public. We will not be available to the public right now, but all our traders will have it. The ones has subscribed to the zone. So I look forward to show you this. The system we have built on the new zone for you. We're about to have a new signal, folks, on the ES, and we are about to have a new signal on the Nasdaq. So hold tight, and we will be giving you the new signal on the On the way up, we made over $1,000 on those three instruments, and now we are going to be also there is a Russell, and they all come in your direction. So hang in there, and we're about to have a short trade on the ES. It's coming your direction, and a Nasdaq. So get ready, folks. Get ready. We need to cross the 81.48 on the ES before. There we go. If you have not taken any trade, wait, please. We have a major support line at 81.75. Put it right there below 81 level short. A new signal, ES Nasdaq. For the Nasdaq, put it at 30.75 on the Nasdaq. And if it's up to me, the Nasdaq is a bit. We have a support line at. You have two options on the Nasdaq. If you are aggressive, I don't like to play that game, but 31.72.31 limited order sell. If you are a conservative trader, take it at 28.25 if you are a conservative trader. And what is blinking now? And we're about to have a new signal on the CL, folks. The whole market is changing direction. We're about to have a new sell order on CL. The signal is coming to your direction. Get ready for the CL traders. Again, on the ES, stay on 81, and there we go. We are into that trade. We're about to have a new signal. CL sell price 57.67. 57.67. That's funny. Target 57.23. Again, for the ES, you see where I have put it. And if you are a conservative, put it at 72.28 NASDAQ limited sell order. And for the CL, we are going to the proper direction. There is no problem on that one here. There is a little pullback, nothing we can do. Let's see what happened. It's just a pullback, guys. Don't let it scare you. And there we go. We have what's going on with this business today. If you are on a trade, cut it off and put a sell order at 81 level and 27.50 sell order limited is exactly where I have it on the ES because we have a support line is giving us trouble at 81.75. Limited order at 81 level and a limited order at like what we said right there at 27.75 limited order. Yes, Jose, I totally agree with you. The market is extreme chop today, but look, how many days we have a good run this week and last week. And of course, we're going to have a little trouble once a week or, but how many days we have a good run with the market. So, again, guys, if you want to take a short trade on the ES, make it 80.75. And now we are going in the right direction for the CL trader. If you are on the two contracts, take the first one at 57.53. The second one, your target is 57.35. That's all what you get for it for that one today. And the ES trade is a limited order at 80.75. And we just sitting here. Nothing we can do until this market. It is an extreme chop market today. And that's what we said from the beginning. But we are on the right direction. And let me show you the volatility because I'm going to be sending you this one. Look at this. Sell, buy, sell, 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 sell on the YM. The NASDAQ, the 3 minutes and the 5 minutes still to the positive direction. So there is a little chop in here. There we go, guys. We are going to the right direction. And on the CL, this is your first stop at 57.52. And then the second final position is 57.35 on the CL. And look at this. Okay, fine. Gary, 775. That makes sense here. If you want to reverse that market from that area, that's very good. Jose, the market is eating banana today. Chop. Yes, sir. You're right. Not just the market eating banana, the scalpers are eating banana as well. But we are in the right direction, amigo. We have a lot of amigos. There we go, guys. Again, limited order at 80.75 below the support line. We don't want to go take it at the signal on the ES because look where is this ES is stopping. We need to cross this area here. There we go. A new signal on the 6E sell position 1565. Oh no. Anybody on the Nasdaq trade? And guys, a break even immediately. This market is really, really nasty. Changing direction again. Nothing we can do. Knocked me out of the ES, everything, NASDAQ, everything. Exactly, my friend Ben. I made this one for you, Ben. I'll give it to you after the YouTube today. And I put 1 minute, entry price 1 minute. Look at this mess. The 3 minutes buy, the 5 minutes sell, and all the numbers. So I'll give you the template and you guys put it in. Even the CL is shy today. Okay. Even the scalpers are struggling day on the scalper. It's an amazing day. Welcome to trading. After the YouTube, because we have a lot of people chat, and when I click on the chat, I don't see it anymore. So please request it on the Skype after YouTube, not now. I forget everyone here. Then I read your message and then I forget. You're very welcome, sir. Look, Ben, we have a new signal on the 30-year. The market is like a yo-yo today. Okay. You see, I closed the ES and I put it back at 27.80.25. No, no, no. Wait a minute. Thank you. Yes, get flat is the best things to do today. I'm taking this ES out, guys, because we are coming to the 79.25, and it's nothing. It's nothing. There is nothing to trade really. And look at this one here. It's going the opposite direction. We have the 57.76 on the YM. And my Ninja Trader is just flat out. Something happened. Folks, we want to say there is no use to keep trading today. We're going to cut it off short. I don't want anyone to get in trouble. And it is best. We made tons of money this week and last week and the week before. But today we're going to call it off because once this market is that nasty, that means you are going to blow up your account. And I don't want to be part of it. Today the market is not running. When the market is running, I started at 9:30, but this is not tradable. When the market keep getting chopped, you're gonna end up losing and blowing up your accounts. And we have to know the limitation that when we see this market that way, we need to stop. And I strongly advise every trader today, our members, to stay the hell away from trading. Even on an auto trade, you know. So, guys, now we are done with the YouTube. If somebody wants this template, to just write template on the Skype, and we will be sending you the template. God bless you all, and see you tomorrow. You know, yesterday I said I don't want to be here today, because we've had so many good running days, and I knew today, Wednesday, is going to be chop. But tomorrow, another day. Thank you very much, and bye for now.